done a train video in a while, so let's see where if that one goes right. Oh, it's moving. Oh, could be another one coming. That's why the lights are still flashing. Unless you're telling me there could be some more of a break in between a little break in between, because I can see why the lights are still flashing red, and also the man flashing red on the left side of the screen. By the way, I'm not really crossing the other side, I'm just making a quick video to get the time passed. Oh, here's something. Let's see what it is. Oh. Also, if you see this sign there, I think it says keep crossing clear. And a couple of danger signs. I don't know if you can see those. Right down there's the fish and chip shop and the one stop you see over there. Oh, we have another train coming, a red one. And yeah, I'm just showing you how long it took for two trains to come by at the same time. Alright, these barriers are now lifting and everyone is free to go. Anyways, this is me, James Bond Fan 2001, signing off. Bye everyone!